Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another Google update. Let me tell you a bit about us. We are Softrix, a digital marketing company based in India, offering PPC, SEO, social media and web development services. If you need any assistance with these platforms, please contact us through our phone number or website flashing on the screen. Now let's discuss today's topic. On June 25th, Google announced they would stop the infinite scroll feature, which may seem like a minor update but could significantly affect website reports for the next 2 to 3 months. Normally, I say with every SEO update that some people will benefit while others might face challenges. However, this particular announcement is likely to have a predominantly negative impact. In today's video, we will explore why this change will happen and what steps you can take to prepare for it. Today, we are discussing the consequences of Google's decision to end continuous infinite scroll. We will also look at the difference between continuous and infinite scroll. On October 14, 2022, Google announced in a dedicated blog post that search results on mobile devices would no longer end after 10 links. Instead, as users reach the bottom of the page, more results will load automatically and similar to scrolling through an Instagram feed. This feature was called Infinite Scroll. Then on December 5th, 2022, Google extended this feature to desktop search results, allowing users to see 40 to 50 links without having to click to the next page. Though this was termed continuous scroll as it wasn't truly infinite like a mobile. The impact of this feature was significant previously when users reached the bottom of the search results pages. They often thought that was the end and chose from the top 10 links. Hardly anyone visited the second page. The joke used to be if you want to hide a dead body, hide it on the second page of Google because no one goes there. However, with continuous scroll, lower ranking pages that were previously hidden on the second or the third started appearing on the first page, increasing their impressions and potentially clicks. This change provided a morale boost to websites ranking between the 11th and 14th position because they started getting more impressions. However, the quality of these impressions was low since the users were not highly motivated, leading to minimal conversion improvements. But on June 25th, 2024, Google announced the discontinuance of continuous scroll on desktop immediately and the upcoming removal of infinite scroll on mobile in a few months. This means that pages ranked from 11 to 14th will go back to being on the second page, losing the extra impressions and click they had started gaining. Who will be most affected? New and small websites that were benefiting from the additional impressions will likely see a sharp drop, and SEOs whose sites were not ranking high but still getting some traffic will see a decrease in impression and possibly clicks. For larger, well-established websites, while overall traffic may not be severely affected, the impression and the clicks from the lower ranking keywords will decrease, improving the CTR due to fewer impressions. While presenting this change to clients, explain that the drop in impressions and any change in CTR are due to the user behavior changes imposed by Google's update. It's important to continue working on the same SEO strategies and not panic, as this change is beyond control. Google has made its search result serving method more controlled, possibly due to increasing space taken by AI overviews. This announcement could be related to Google's broader strategy involving AI. Keep running your SEO campaigns normally and don't worry. This change is just another aspect of evolving digital landscape. I hope you find the information in this update helpful in understanding Google's algorithm and staying current with new updates. I hope you find the information in this update helpful in understanding Google's algorithm and staying updated with new updates. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And leave a comment below if we missed anything in this video. Stay connected and we will see you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you.